Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Nothing unveils Phone 2a as OnePlus Nord rival, Meta CEO criticizes Apple's EU App Store policies, WhatsApp to introduce automatic account reports, Alphabet CEO confirms subscription model for Google's AI Bard Advanced, Microsoft Edge on Android getting extension support, Flipkart to introduce same-day delivery in Indian cities, Byju's major investors seek leadership change and board reshuffle and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Nothing has introduced its new smartphone Phone 2a positioned as a competitor to the OnePlus Nord lineup. The device promises an upgrade daily experience featuring a redesigned chassis and a rumored sub-Euro 400 price tag. Alongside Phone 2a, Nothing plans to release affordable products like CMF Buds and CMF Neckband Pro in India. Further details and updates are expected soon. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has criticized Apple's proposed App Store policies for compliance with the EU's Digital Markets Act, labeling them as onerous and at odds with the intent. He expressed doubt that any developer, including Meta, would seriously consider adopting these rules. Apple's adjustment aimed at compliance with the Digital Market Act include allowing third-party app marketplaces and revising the fee structure in 27 EU countries from March 2024. WhatsApp is reportedly developing a feature that will automatically generate monthly reports for user accounts and channels. This feature aims to provide users with a seamless way to track their activities without manual intervention. Once activated, the automated report will offer timely and pertinent information enhancing user experience and account management within the messaging app. Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai has confirmed the introduction of subscription plan for Google's advanced chatbot Bard Advanced. The subscription model aligned with Google's strategy to meet the growing demand for premium AI services. Bard Advanced, powered by the Gemini Ultra architecture, offers users a sophisticated conversational AI experience. While specific pricing details are undisclosed, it is speculated to follow a subscription fee model similar to ChatGPT Plus, ranging between $10 and $20 per month. Microsoft Edge is set to bring extension functionality to its Android browser, potentially challenging Google Chrome's dominance. The feature currently in Edge Canary build allow users to download Chrome-based extensions similar to the desktop version. This move could have broader implications for both Edge and Chrome given their Chromium foundation. The beta version with extension is expected in February, signaling a potential shift in the Android browser landscape. Flipkart plans to launch same-day delivery service in 20 cities across India with a nationwide rollout in the coming months. While an exact launch date is not specified, the company aims for a general timeline in February. Categories eligible for same-day delivery include mobile, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, book, home appliances, and electronics. Orders placed by 1 p.m. will be delivered before midnight. Flipkart intends to scale up the service, covering more cities and categories. Major investors in Byju's, including Prosus, Sofina, and Peak XV, are calling for an extraordinary general meeting (EGM) to address governance, financial mismanagement, and compliance issues. The shareholders seek a reconstitution of the board, reducing founder control, and a change in leadership. This move comes amid concern about the company's stability under current leadership and Byju's recent plans to raise $200 million through a right issue. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.